tunage. I've been having a chat with a man, sorry. I'm going to call him Man A for now, about a possible festival that we're going to be working on in July. Details are still very sketchy and still nothing could become of it, but it's very exciting. I'm going down to have a meeting with them next Thursday. If it comes off, we'll be going under the Round Sound umbrella, and obviously all the acts that take part in our show will be getting first refusal to that. I'll keep you updated about that a little bit more when I know more. I'm not going to commit to anything just yet until it's all in black and white. Right, guys, this week's number 19, we have a brand new entry by Clutching at Straws. This tune is called This Table Changes Everything. This is a brand new act to Round Sound Radio. Have a gander at this, guys. Lovely little tune, very different.
Changes. Yes, this
unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio. Showcasing the best of the best. Acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound, original and unsigned music. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 10 p.m.
High and fat, low and fat. Dust. Anybody? No? 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 Dust. It's actually very low, in fact. So you can have as much dust as you like.
Righty, and in at number 18 this week, guys, we have Little Sparrow with Polly. It's down 2 this week. Been in the charts for a long time. This done very well indeed. I particularly like this one myself pretty much. It's on the old earphones on the way to work and that kind of thing. Have a go, guys. Polly, this week's number 18.
Come home, Polly. Your words, they paint a picture. The dust won't settle until you're safe back home. I can see you up here from my window staring back at me. If I throw them to you, would you tie my wishes to the tree? Let's play horses. You jump and run a canter. We'll play hide and seek from the ones we love. I can see you up here from my window staring back at me. If I threw them to you, would you tie my wishes to the trees? Come home, these walls are so bare. Your voice is so missed, and the attic is bare. Shame wishes to the tree.
Absolutely lovely tune, that. Right, we have a re-entry this week. The boys dropped out last week, out of the top 20. They stayed shortlisted and they've got their asses back up the chart. It is Marooned with In This Town. It is this week's number 17. Have a go. Absolute tunage, this.